Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete video-related data from Chrome. To begin, open your Chrome browser. Look for the 3 vertical dots, or sometimes 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner of your browser window. Click on this icon to open the main menu. From there, hover over History and then click History again to access your browsing history page. Once you are on the history page, you will see a menu on the left side. Locate and click the option labeled Clear Browsing Data. This action will open a new, dedicated window. In this window, you will find 2 tabs, Basic and Advanced. For most video-related data removal, the Basic tab is sufficient and easier to navigate, so ensure it is selected. Now, within the Basic tab, you need to select the types of data to remove. Make sure the boxes next to browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files are all checked. Next, use the drop-down menu for time range and select all time to ensure everything is covered. Finally, click the prominent Clear Data button to execute the deletion. It is important to remember that clearing your browser's data does not delete video files you have downloaded to your computer. To remove these, you must access your computer's file system. Open your File Explorer or Finder on a Mac and go to your Downloads folder. Here, you can manually find and delete any specific video files you no longer wish to keep on your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.